నిన్న మనం కామన్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అని టాపిక్ మీద మాట్లాడాం. ఈ కామన్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మామూలుగా మన యూసేజ్లో మనకు తప్పు అని తెలియదు, కానీ తప్పు చేస్తుంటాం. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ 10 వాక్యాలు ఇచ్చాను. దీంట్లో ఎంత ఎతికినా తప్పు ఉంది, ఎంత ఎతికినా తప్పు కనపడదు. This sentence is given in group 1 and group 2 and civils also. In competitive exams also, the same sentences are given. And they ask to correct they will generally ask to correct the following sentences. The question will be like that: correct the following sentences. So they say they will give some sentences in the exam, and the examinees, they have to correct the sentences and write them in the right way. They should write them in the right way. You see, I enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. I enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. We enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed the trip to... This is singular. Neevu enjoy chesavu Mahabalipuram trip. You ante meeru. You enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram trip lo enjoy chesavu. He enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. It enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. They enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Leela enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Leela and Rani enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Here, if you see, generally, even learned people say, what is wrong there? Nothing is there. Every sentence is... everything is correct. Here, they feel like that. I enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Where is wrong? The sentence is correct, we generally think. But there is some error in these sentences. All these sentences, there is some error. There are reflexive, whenever we use the verb enjoy. I subject, enjoyed is the verb. We must use reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. What are reflexive pronouns? I will see. I enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. I enjoyed myself is a reflective pronoun. I enjoyed myself, the trip to Mahabalipuram. Myself is the reflexive pronoun. Here, we enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. We enjoyed the trip to there must be one after I enjoyed. You must put another reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. We enjoyed ourselves, the trip to Mahabalipuram. That's why you put here ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves, the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. You means singular. You enjoyed yourself, the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. You want meeru ikkada meeru plural. You enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed yourselves. You enjoyed yourselves. Yourself, single, because you is singular. Yourselves. You enjoyed yourselves the trip to Mahabalipuram. Fifth one, she enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Besides the enjoy, she enjoyed herself because she is here. She enjoyed herself the trip to Mahabalipuram. She enjoyed herself the trip to, because she is here. She enjoyed herself the trip to Mahabalipuram. These are all called reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. They change as per the subject. See, he enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Generally we find that there is no error, but there is error here. You must use reflexive pronoun. He enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. He enjoyed himself the trip to Mahabalipuram. He enjoyed himself. He enjoyed himself the trip to Mahabalipuram. It enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. It enti? It adi antam kada. And Mahabalipuram ట్రిప్లో ఇట్ అంటే సి ఇట్ జంతువులకి వాడతాం, చిన్న పిల్లలకు కూడా ఇట్ అని వాడతాం. ఇట్ ఈజ్ క్రయింగ్ మీన్స్ ద బేబీ ఈజ్ క్రయింగ్. ఇన్ఫెంట్స్కి, కిడ్స్కి, ఎంత చిన్న పిల్లలకి అంతా మనం ఇట్ వాడతాం. ఇట్ ఎంజాయిడ్ ది ట్రిప్ టు మహాబలిపురం. It enjoyed the trip. It enjoyed itself. That is reflexive pronoun. It enjoyed itself. It enjoyed itself the trip to Mahabalipuram. They enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. They enjoyed themselves the trip to Mahabalipuram. Enjoyed themselves really. Enjoyed pakana. They enjoyed themselves. They enjoyed themselves the trip to Mahabalipuram. Leela enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Leela enjoyed herself because Leela is yes, this is feminine. See, Leela enjoyed herself. Leela enjoyed herself the trip to Mahabalipuram. Leela and Rani enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Because here Leela and Rani plural. Leela and Rani themselves enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Themselves enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. Rani enjoyed themselves. Enjoyed themselves. Enjoy pakkan undali. Leela and Rani enjoyed themselves the trip to Mahabalipuram. See, after enjoy, I enjoyed myself the trip to Mahabalipuram. We enjoyed ourselves the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed the trip to Mahabalipuram. You enjoyed yourself the trip to Mahabalipuram. You plural. Meeru అని వచ్చినప్పుడు you enjoyed yourselves. ఇక్కడ yourself singular you. You enjoyed yourselves the trip to Mahabalipuram. She enjoyed herself the trip to Mahabalipuram. He enjoyed himself the trip to Mahabalipuram. It enjoyed itself the trip to Mahabalipuram. They enjoyed themselves